In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Sumatra PDF. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to find your text you want to highlight, then you want to go and use your left mouse button, so left mouse click and then drag over your text like this. As you can see, it's creating a selection, and whenever you're done, it's going to basically keep it like this. And if you want to actually apply the highlight, you could either right click and then go to create annotation from selection and then hover over it and click on highlight. That's the first way to do it. However, the easier way would be to just highlight and then press the A button on your keyboard, and it's going to automatically apply your highlight just like this. Okay, so that's how to do this. And of course, if you want to change this or edit it, you could go and right click anywhere on your highlight, and then here you have the edit highlight annotation button. You want to click on this and you can change the opacity over here. You can change the color as well, and you can go and delete it if you don't want it anymore. So select it, click on this delete button over here, or you could go ahead and press the delete button on your keyboard when you select it, and it's going to get deleted. So that's how to highlight text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.